We'll continue with question number 4 of exercise 9.5 today. So there are almost 3 sums are left of question number 4. So let's do question number 5. Now again question number 5, it's very similar to question number 4. That is, we'll do this part individually and again we'll do this part individually and we'll combine the answers and we'll solve it. Okay, so first write this one. So it would be 2.5 p minus 1.5 q whole square. So it will apply which identity? A minus b whole square. So we write it down: a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is the identity we are following for this. And what is the value of a? Value of a is 2.5p, and what is the value of b? Value of b is 1.5q. So you have to remember this. So now 2.5p minus 1.5q whole square. Now what is the first thing? A square. What is a? 2.5p. So 2.5p whole square. So this is a square minus 2ab minus 2 into, what is there in the place of a? 2.5p. What is there in place of b? 1.5q. Now plus b square plus 1.5q, isn't it? Whole square. Now we have to solve this. So 2.5 is 6.25. p into p is p square. Now if you multiply this, it will be 3. So it will be 7.5 pq. And the answer of this is 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25. Q into Q is Q square. So this is the answer of this part. Now let's do this part. So 1.5p minus 2.5q whole square. So again we'll apply the same formula for this. That is a minus b whole square. That is the reason I'm not writing. Okay. So we'll straight away write. We'll split up this, but in place of a this time we are having 1.5p and in place of b we are having 2.5q. So you have to be a little careful about this thing. So a square, isn't it? A square is 1.5p whole square minus 2 into a into b, isn't it? 2ab is done. Now what is the rest part? Plus b square. Plus b is what? 2.5q. So 2.5q whole square. Okay. So 1.5 into 1.5, 2.25, p into p, p square. Now if you multiply this, we'll get 7.5 pq. Okay. And this would be 6.25, because 2.5 into 2.5 is 6.25. Q into Q is Q square. Okay. Now we'll write this expression again. That is 2.5p minus 1.5q whole square minus 1.5p minus 2.5 whole square. Now what was the answer of this? This was the answer. Now we'll write. That is 6.25 p square minus 7.5 pq plus 2.25 q square. We'll put it inside the bracket. Now minus, again we'll give one bracket. So what is the answer of this one? This is the answer. So we'll write 2.25 p square minus 7.5 pq plus 6.25 q square. Okay, now we'll open the bracket. Now outside this bracket is plus sign, so no sign will change, it will be all intact. So this 7.5 pq plus 2.25 q square minus, but outside this bracket we have a minus sign, so all the sign will change. How? Minus minus plus, so 75 PQ minus minus what minus plus minus 6.25 Q square. Okay, now you see these two are like terms, isn't it? So minus 7.5 PQ plus 7.5 PQ, it will be what? 0, because minus plus is minus. 7.5 minus 7.5 is 0, so we'll cancel this out. Now we'll bring the, now 6.25 P square, where is P square? This. So we'll bring all the like terms together now. So P square minus 2.25 P square. Now we'll bring the Q square together. 2.25 Q square minus 6.25 Q square. Now that's the solution. We'll solve this too because these are two like terms, and we'll solve this too because these are also two like terms. Now 6.25 minus 2.25 is 4 P square, and this also plus minus is minus. So 6.25 minus 2.25, the answer will be minus, because 6.25 is greater. So minus 4 Q square. So this is your required answer, students, of sum number 5. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 6. This is sum number 6, students. So again we see we have to use some identity to solve this one. So we'll do this separately, okay, and then we'll merge it up later on. So if you have to split it out, which identity we have to use? Absolutely right. I know that most of you have understood this one now. A plus B whole square, isn't it? This is A and this is B. So A plus B whole square. What is the formula? A square. Repeat after me, okay? It will help you. These formulas are very, very important. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this is the identity that we will apply here. So A equals to what? AB. And B equals to what? BC. Okay, it's easy. Now we'll write this again. AB plus BC whole square equals to what? A square. So what is A? AB is A. So in place of A we'll write AB, and then we'll do the square. Now 2 into A into B. 2 into A is what? AB. So in place of A we'll write AB. B is what? BC. So in place of B we'll write BC. Fine. So 2AB plus B square. B square. B is what? BC. So we'll do the square of BC. Now A square. A into A is what? A square. B into B is what? B square. So this is a square of AB. Now multiply this all. 2. How many B are there? 2. How many A are there? Only 1. How many C is there? Only 1. So this is the product of this 3 terms. What is the product of B into B? It will be B square. What is the product of C? It will be C square. Okay. Now we'll merge this answer with this whole expression. So let us write this whole expression again. So AB plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C. Now what is the answer of this? This whole part, isn't it? So we'll write it down. A square B square plus 2B square AC plus B square C square minus, we have written the answer of this one. See, now again minus is there, we'll write this one, 2AB square C. Now these two are like terms. Okay, so plus minus is minus. 2 minus 2 is 0. So when the answer is 0 is coming, isn't it? So we have to cancel this out. So what is the final answer? A square plus B, sorry. So A square B square plus B square C square. This is your final answer, student. Okay, this is your final answer. I hope you have understood. First we have splitted this one by using the identity, this. Then we have merged the answer with the expression and we have solved it. Okay, very easy. Now let's see the last sum of question number 4. Yes, this is sum number 7. It's very similar. Again we have to split up. This is a square is given. Okay, so first we'll solve this one. So m square minus n square m square whole square. Okay, so which identity? Also, first of all we'll write what is there in the place of a, m square, and what is there place in the b? It is n square m square. Okay, so and which identity will follow? A minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is the identity we will apply here. Now let's write this again. So m square minus n square whole square. Now for the first thing, a square. So what is there in place of a? First we'll write a, then we'll do square. Okay, because in place of a, what is there? M square. Do not get confused with this sign, m square. Okay, because a is m square. So but out here what is there? A square. So first we'll write what is there in place of a, then we'll do the square. Okay, minus 2 into a is what? M square. B is what? This is b, isn't it? In place of b, n square m square. Now plus b square. So for what is b? N square m square is b. Now we have to do the square of this b. That's it. Okay, so be careful with this. Now m square into m square, that is so m square into m square. So m square into m square. So how many m are there? 2. How many m are there? 2. Altogether how many m? It will be m4, isn't it? So we'll write m to the power 4. Now let's do this multiplication very carefully. Now the only one number is there, so 2, because 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. We have written now m square into m square. Just now we did. So how many m there would be? 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. Altogether how many m are there now? 4. There's already a n square is there. Is there any other n? No. So we'll write n square. Okay, n square. Now what is the square of n square? N square into n square, that is n square into n square is again what? N to the power 4, isn't it? Altogether how many n? 4. So we'll write n square. Square is n4. And what is the square of m2? We'll do this. Okay, now the answer of this one is this. Now we'll again write this expression. Okay, so write it down. M square minus n square m square whole square plus 2 m to the power 3 n square. Okay, so in place of this what we'll write? This is the answer. So in place of this we'll write this part. So m to the power 4 minus 2 m to the power 4 n square plus n to the power 4 m to the power 4 plus 2 m cube n square. Now you see any like term is there? No. So this is the only answer. Okay, it's easy. So today's assignment is sum number 5, 6, 7 of question number 4. Okay, thank you and God bless.